Hi, my name is Chris, and I just gotta start off by saying that these are some of the ugliest sunglasses I've ever owned. Ugliness aside, these are the sunglasses by Hindsight. They're supposed to help you look into your left and right blind spots without having to turn all the way around. This promotes a bit extra safety. Let me show you how they work. Alright, let's say this is you, these are your eyes, you're looking forward, so here's your field of view. The way these sunglasses work, the edges are angled inwards, like so, so if your eyes look to the left or right edge, you get to see your blind spot, which is this area. Now this is really cool in concept, but let's do a street test and see if this actually works.
Okay, so I've been biking for a while now. By the way, always wear a helmet, and I'm currently in the bike lane. Something that I noticed is if you just shift your eyes to the left to try to look into your blind side, you kind of can't really see too much of it. You really see most of your cheek. What you have to do is you have to tilt your head over, then tilt your eyes, or shift your eyes left, and then you can see your blind side much better. You're still taking your eyes off the front, but you're still saving time by not having to look all the way back. So it is a bit more safe. One other thing to note, these sunglasses work much better in overcast or cloudy weather. During the few times that the sun's light actually shone through these clouds up here, it became kind of hard to see the reflection of my blind spot. And it's probably just because the sun's light overwhelmed the reflection. I'll try to show you this better when I'm indoors. So you see the streetlights in the reflection? That's actually behind me. Let's do a test. Let's see if I can see any cars coming through my left side just using the glasses. Oh, actually, here comes one right now. They work. They'd be ugly, but they work.
Alright, back in my apartment. I'm actually a little surprised that this thing works. The thing is, I've gotten into such a habit of looking over my shoulder before I turn that it'll be hard for me to break this habit and rely solely on these glasses. The best way to put this is sort of like if I'm driving a car. I might have one of those blind spot mirror attachments on my side view mirror, but I'll still turn my head to double check. This is basically a really expensive version of that blind spot mirror attachment. Also, I still have to take my eyes off the road ahead of me regardless. I save a small bit of time by not turning my head all the way, but is that really worth the $186 it cost me at Kickstarter? Nah, not really. Currently, I believe the price on their website is 200 euros for the sport version, which is the one I have, and that's 242 American dollars. Another thing, the fact that the blind spot reflection doesn't appear as well in bright sunlight, for being sunglasses, this is kind of a downside. Let me show you. Here, the nanoleaf is pretty clear. As soon as I move the glasses over the light box, the reflection of the nanoleaf becomes harder to see. One last thing to note, the edges of the sunglasses are still see-through. So sometimes it's hard to get your eyes to focus on the blind spot image being reflected versus the see-through image. This adds a bit of processing time to any split-second decision making while biking. Overall, I'm impressed that these sunglasses work. But in terms of value, at this price point, I don't believe it's worth purchasing. This is just my opinion though. If you have $200 some sitting around and you don't want to put it all into Dogecoin, then by all means, give this a shot. It does work. But I did warn you, this might just end up sitting in your drawer for the rest of the time collecting dust. That's all for today, folks. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the Hindsight sunglasses. If you found this helpful, would love if you could like and subscribe. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you for the next one.